Hello friends, in this tutorial we will discuss about Angular. Angular is one of the most popular framework. In this session we will initiate the discussion with the introduction, then we will discuss features of Angular, advantages of Angular over other languages, disadvantage of Angular, job role and organization which are hiring for Angular developers, and finally the salary of Angular developer. Angular is developed by Google and was first released in 2010. It is a TypeScript based JavaScript framework. The latest stable version is Angular 9, which was released on 7 Feb 2020. Since Angular is developed and created by Google, so it is actively supported by Google and individual community of developers as well. It is fully featured JavaScript framework which helps to develop dynamic web applications. Now, why Angular? The Angular provides seamless user experience. That is why it is widely used for making web pages and web applications. The Angular is mostly used to develop single page applications. Now, let me tell you what is single page applications. Single page application is a web application or a website that interacts with the web browser by dynamically rewriting the current web page with the new data from the web server instead of default method of the browser loading entire new page. The goal of this is faster transitions that make the website feel like a native app. Let's look at some of the websites that are using Angular: Guardian, PayPal, Netflix, YouTube. The Angular is open source, but it is required to use MIT license. It has gained popularity over some years. Due to its features, let's discuss the features of Angular. DOM, Document Object Modeling. The DOM is a cross-platform and language-independent interface that treats on XML or HTML document as a tree structure, wherein each code representing a part of the document. The DOM represents a document with logical tree. The Angular uses a real DOM. Now what it means? In Angular, when you make small changes, you have to update the whole DOM tree. The next factor is data binding. Data binding refers to the automatic synchronization of data between the model and the view components. The way Angular JS implements data binding lets you treat the model as the single source of truth in your application. The view is a projection of the model at all times. When the model changes, the view reflects the change and vice versa. The Angular uses the two-way binding. It keeps the two layers updated with the same data. It binds the HTML element to the model variable, not just display it but also changes it in the backend. Scripting language. Angular uses TypeScript language which is statistically typed. TypeScript is meant to be friendlier for the developers having an OOPS background. As a result, this provides seamless experience. Speed and performance. Angular is an end-to-end solution to achieve the maximum speed possible on the web platform and take it further via web workers and server-side rendering. The Angular puts you in control over scalability that meet the huge data requirement by building model on RxJS or any other push model. Let's discuss the advantages of Angular. The code is short and effective. The Angular uses HTML. That is an important point when it is to defining or application user interference. HTML is the best choice. Cross-platform versatility. The Angular can be used to make web applications, desktop applications, and native mobile applications. The disadvantages of Angular are limited SEO options. SEO is a major factor that affects the search engine visibility of any website or application, but Angular has limited SEO options. The CLI documentation is lacking details. The developers are not able to find enough information in their original document on GitHub. Let's talk about learning the language. The learning of the language is not just limited to the coding. It also includes elements like debugging and testing, which require significant amount of code, and the learning curve of Angular is steep. Let's look at the major job roles of Angular developer are web developer, web app developer, front-end developer, and JavaScript developer. Some of the organizations which are hiring for Angular JS: IBM, Wipro, Capgemini, Tech Mahindra, iGate Global Solution, Facebook, Amazon, Google. The starting salary is 4.61 lakh per annum. With the experience, this can go up to 6 lakh per annum, and after experience of more than 5 years, the salary is about 10 to 11 lakh per annum. If you want to become Angular developer and learn from industry experts, you can contact us at